Hi.
Want to know what we're wearing? I'm wearing lipstick.
I'm wearing bruises.
I'm wearing torn fishnet.
And I'm wearing fists.
Well, I can kick her ass.
I can kick your ass.
We're the Capital City Crushers.
And we're going to kick the asses of those little pom-pom queens from Wichita, the ICT Roller Girls, Saturday night at Skateaway, 815 Fairlawn Road.
Doors open at 6:30.
Tickets are available at Skateaway.
They're $8 in advance and $10 at the door.
Come down and enjoy the rockinest,
rollinest,
sexiest, cat-fightingest sport in town. Saturday, June 11th.
So get off your couch this Saturday night and come sit on ours. The first 2 people at the door to mention hearing us on B100 get to be our special guest with VIP seating.
The Capital City Crushers is Topeka's only all-women flat track roller derby team. Bouts are held at Skateaway Skate Center at 815 Southwest Fairlawn Road. The next bout is this Saturday, June 11th. The action starts at 7 p.m. Doors open at 6:30. So what color's your blood?
Green and black! Go Crushers!